I think I'll wait till tomorrow or the next day to completely harvest all through this, finish off the pea harvest, take down the pea vine, and then we're going to start doing intensive bed prep and direct seed sowing of our winter vegetables. And I'll show you how to make a good seed bed. Root vegetables such as beets and carrots, of course, are light feeding vegetables that would go at the end of a series of rotations where you had heavy and then medium feeding things. So we've done heavier feeding things, like remember there was kale here and some other greens, and then there was potatoes. So really it's perfect in the rotation now to do beets and carrots. Another reason I like to do carrots at this time of year versus a conventional timing like earlier in the spring is just that you have these waves of pests that come through and their population spikes at certain times in the year. I want to have a bed of baby carrots after that population has peaked, and I'm talking here specifically about the carrot fly. Lands on the carrot, lays its eggs, the eggs hatch, become root maggots that eat the carrot.